Our gents, so sibheke euro USD. Maningabheka lapha iprice seyithathile in buy side liquidity, right? And siyazi ukuthi immediately masiceda ukuthatha i buy side kamele sothatha i sell side. So la iprice iphakathi kwe fair value gap currently la ikhona phakathi kwaleya fair value gap leya. Into engiyibhekile ngoba iprice ku premium ngiyazi PDRA. So njengoba i-trader ku premium ngibheke ini ama short ama selling opportunities. So le fair value gap le ekuyo manje izo respecta and trade into a bearish fair value gap le engizoyimarka manje, this one right here. So yiyo le bearish fair value gap engibheka ukuthi price ingaphusheka iye phansi iye kuma discount level or iyo thatha leya sell side. So now it's respecting this fair value gap for the second time, niyabona mos. Then lana price ile completely filled, it completely filled that fair value gap, like ile trader above, like completely kuyo angazi nangithola. So nibheke ama bodies wakhona our close above le fair value gap le, kusho ukuthi aya respect le fair value gap. Ama weeks kuphela yenzani i damage kule fair value gap le. So in next row on liquidity yiyo le fair value gap le lapha phansi le ngifaka i-arrow kuyo. So ngamele sifocus kuyo lapha. Price may respect this fair value gap le bearish fair value gap ngamele iye lapha phansi. And then the man ngabheka le our previous fair value gap le yasinikeza bullish i-price izo trade below yona, and siyazi ukuthi i-price may trade below i-fair value gap izoyenza i-IFVG. So la iqeda retest that IFVG ya trade into that fair value gap le engiceda kuyibona kuyimarka manje, and yayenza ini i-IFVG leyo fair value gap le. So then price delivered right here. So nayi ya deliver into leya fair value gap le bengithi draw on liquidity. Then you can see. So lezi zinto ezenziwa i-price njalo guys, like you have to know the language of a price. I don't know if you see what I see, but then yeah, if you give yourself time lezi zinto uzokhona ukuzibona now. These things are okay, I can't say it's easy, but then yeah, if you give yourself enough time you'll get it. So cela subscribe and share and like my content. Awe.